Hi guys, this is Fred from WPShout, and today we're going to be trying the premium version of the Beaver Builder Pro plugin. I've maybe used Beaver Builder for like a total of 10 or 15 minutes, the free version. So this will just be, me seeing how easy it is to figure out. So what I want to do is I want to build a sort of sample landing page on the WPShout site. So we'll just call it like Beaver Builder landing. And I guess I'll go ahead and publish it just to get that out of the way. Okay. And let's just make sure I didn't put it on the nav menu somehow. Okay, we're good. All right, so if I click Page Builder, what happens? Okay, it takes me to the front end. I think I'm going to skip the tour. Ooh. So we have some layout template options. Okay, and these are all landing page options, so that's cool. Maybe we'll go with this one and see what it starts us out with. Okay. Yeah, none of these elements do I probably really want, but it's cool that it started us with them. If I close this, what happens? Okay. All right, good. So it's living within the size of the content holder, so that's good. What I'm going to kind of try to model some of this landing page after is just the up and running landing page. Now, obviously, you know, WPShout's different. It's got this left sidebar and everything. So, you know, it's not gonna look that similar. But I just think that some of the elements that I've got on here are the kinds of things that I want to see if I can build with Beaver Builder. So, all right, let's see. So can I edit the page title? Nope, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so I can only edit the page content, and then, all right, enjoy simple living with Zen life. Style. Huh, that's cool. So somehow it like grabs the fonts that the site actually has on it. And, oh, or maybe this is just a list of Google fonts. That's more likely, I guess. Verb, do they have Verb? Because I'm pretty sure Verb is the font we use. Pretty sure Verb Black is the font we use for actual headings. Nope, Titanium Web. Okay, let's see if they have that. Titanium Web. Yeah, they do. Nice. And they have all different weights of it. I wonder if they're importing the fonts themselves again, or if they're like, okay, top CTA global. Huh. No, it's not global. We just want it on this one page. Okay. So I'm wondering if they're getting the fonts a second time, or if they're just using, or if they noted like use fonts that are already being loaded onto the page. I guess that's something I could figure out later. Okay. So how do I make these all caps? Okay. Looks like they don't have a text transform option in their sort of drag and droppy thing. Line height, letter spacing. Okay, so maybe what I have to do, style. Is there a way to just edit this thing as HTML? No, not from the front end. Is that true? Advanced margins. Okay, well, I guess I'll just manually capitalize everything, which is not that bad. Okay, and so we'll call it, build websites with WPShout, teaching you Beaver Builder, and we'll put a question mark on there. Just because it's always good to convey an element of self-doubt in a landing page. Okay, all right. Okay, and so this is an actual, WYSIWYG editor here. So they've got inline styles going on. Okay. I guess I kind of want this to be something else. Oh, cool. So, yeah, it's just pulling in the main theme styles. So, okay, I guess we'll leave that there and we'll just edit the text itself. Beaver Builder might be cool. Future uncertain. Okay. And so this is a call to action button, which we definitely want. But I'd like it to be in WPShout's colors. So let's see how easy that is to do. Maybe we'll get this. Maybe we'll get this. Okay, maybe we'll use this orange for the call to action button, and that means that we need to make this text not orange. Okay. So link style, background color. Okay, background hover color. We'll just keep it the same. Okay, now they have different styles, it looks like. Yeah, so they've got flat. Well, gradient, okay. Do they have, okay, they don't, okay, so this would be some sort of, yeah, the degree to which you round the corners. It's only pixels though, which is kind of annoying. I mean, not annoying, but it would be nice to be able to do it as a %, which is how I usually do it. Okay, with auto, sure, yep. And again, it looks like they don't have, I guess we'd have to just go to CSS if we want to all caps these things. We could just create an all caps class. And that might be the easy way to do it. So we'll just create an all caps class, and anything that we want to be all caps, we'll just do that. Okay, so text is read the course, and we'll link it to, how about just the WPShout homepage? All right. Let's say done, save, change, publish changes. Okay. Cool. All right. Okay, so we'll go back to Page Builder, and now I want to change the color of this thing. Okay, so let's make it white. Okay, and let's change the background image here. So let's see how they do images. Is this like a row setting, advanced? Style, background is a type photo, okay. Background photo. Cool, so this is our media library. So we will let's do a crying Pikachu. Okay. Okay, great. And so the position center, what is, okay, scale, fill, or fit? Or fill. Okay, I like that. Right center, maybe left center, is that what I'm looking for? No, just center bottom. Center top, I guess, is the best, but I'd like to get both his eyes on there. Whatever. Center top, okay. And then the background. Okay, the overlay color is really pretty highly opaque. So let's take that down to 30% or 35. No, let's do 25. Okay. Now, oh, it lets you choose the size you want. That's good. That's really smart because otherwise you could not know what you're doing and put in like a super giant image, and then the page would be really slow. Okay, why don't we make this white? Yeah, it's okay. Let's pretend I don't know CSS. So text color white, save. Okay, done. Okay, so oh look, it's like, I don't know what the name of that effect is, but it basically stays static while you scroll. I really like that. That's cool. Let me look at that and see how, if there's a way to change that, and also what the name of that is. So it's a row setting, advanced, no style, background photo. Oh, attachment. Is it fixed or scroll? Yeah, that's how. Oh, and that's why Pikachu's eyes wouldn't. Yeah, I actually like it better with Pikachu's eyes. Just okay. All right, great. Yeah, so that looks pretty cool. All right. So this is probably pretty simple. I remember this was pretty tricky. It was like 2 columns and a bunch of bullet points and some icons at the top. So let's try to do that next. So it's a new row, and I'm going to get rid of these, which sort of, okay, so can I select multiple elements? No, I can't, I don't think. I don't think I can select, no. By the way, this thing with the number counter, just personally, I have never known who needs like something like this on the homepage of their website. Like something that says like you're 82% good at graphic design. It's just like, it's a feature that I don't think I've ever understood. So maybe you can enlighten me in the comments. All right, so so what do we want? We want to add something. Add content, okay. So we've got advanced modules and basic modules, all right. Audio, button, text editor, WordPress widgets. Oh, and you can like save little modules. That's cool. So if you have a module you like, you can save it. What do I actually want? Let me see. Beaver Builder modules. Modules. I wish it was more visual. Module. Okay, well, what are we basically looking for? We're looking for like text and an image above it. So what's that called? Tabs? Nope. Photo module? No. Ooh, icon group? Yeah, maybe. Icon module lets you insert icons from font awesome. Comes with a text editor to format text that will appear to the right of the icon. All right. No, that's not exactly. Well, okay, so we want to start with an icon, right? So what is this, a light bulb? Okay, so we'll do. Okay, what does an icon group look like? What? Ooh, cool. Okay, and we'll color it. So, Oh, can we do color presets? Oh, nice. Okay, so I guess this is where you save in the like colors that your theme actually has. So we'll do. Okay, color preset. Wait, where do I add this? Where do I add a color preset? Okay. Maybe it's in the settings for the plugin? Okay, so we'll cancel that. We'll go to. Now, where is it? In settings? Tools? Beaver Builder? Tools? Plugins? No. So where are the settings for Beaver Builder? Does it have any? How to add Beaver Builder color preset. Also, Beaver Builder admin settings page. Settings. Oh, settings page builder. Okay. Page, there it is. Okay, so maybe this is where we get to add color presets. Icons, tools. I guess not. Oh, wait. So you actually have to code? No, this can't be. This can't be right. Okay, I'm about to give up on this, but let me just try for like one more minute. Okay, tools. Global settings, maybe? Okay. Templates. Nope. Done. Nope. Maybe saved modules? Okay. Okay, if I just add an icon somewhere. And if I go to style, add a color preset first. Okay, I have no idea how to do that. So, whatever. I probably should have read the manual. All right, so anyway, we're going to do, what are we going to do? I guess we're going to, okay, so I guess what we really want to do is we want to create like a thing where it's an icon and then text, and we want to like save that so that we can reuse it a bunch of times. So let's see how good that is. So the first thing we've got is we've got add an icon. And okay, we'll just say it's a shower. And the link is to the homepage. Icon text? I think it goes to the right, so we probably don't want any, but let's just start with that. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, good. I can duplicate elements. That's awesome. All right. But for now, we just want one. Okay. What is this? Oh, column. Okay. So we're going to say settings. Is there a way to center it? Alignment center. Good. Okay, and we probably don't actually want the text. So we're going to save it. Okay. So this is a start. Now what do? We add but call out, call to action. Let me just see what a call out looks like. Okay, module overviews, call out. Oh yeah. Okay, so what we're looking to do is actually called a call out. Okay, so let's just do that. Call out 1. And we'll just do the first 3 sentences, I guess. Okay, so let's see what we're able to get done with. Okay, we need an image. Okay. All right. Okay. And we just probably want the medium version. Position below heading. I wish I could see all this. Oh, cool. Okay. Now wait a minute. Wait, the image is required? But because the button is optional. Oh, so these are actually images. That makes sense. Okay, so I guess I would have to either use images for the callout thingies, or I'll have to build my own thing that is like this. So I guess I'll do both just to see how easy they are. So, okay, so we want, okay. Okay. Okay, so with this, it'll just be an image below the thing, below heading. And then does the heading get to be, okay, overall alignment center, perfect. Great. We'll make the heading in H2. How would that look? All right. Call to action. Call to action type is a button. Nice. Or text, nice, okay. Go to the WPShout homepage. Button, oh, the button can have an icon. Oh, good. Yeah, I really actually am starting to like this. I like the options are thoughtful. Button colors. Okay. Color presets. Oh, I want color presets so bad. I have to read the documentation. Okay, whatever. Okay, let me get a color from the theme here. What color was this button? We'll just use that again. Okay, so the button is blah, blah, blah. Background color is that. Okay, now we have to change the text color. Button, background color, text color is white. Okay, and I probably want to change the font. Button style is flat. Transition. So I don't get to change the font on the button, is that right? I guess what I could do is say, you know, make button, whatever, block font. Okay, so you definitely, it's definitely good to know CSS, even if you're using this thing, because you know they just don't account for everything you might want to do, and that's probably impossible. So okay, so I can't change the color of the button here. All right. Do I need to change it? No, the text color is good. All right. Text color. All right. Okay, now let's start to do columns. So what I really want is like 3 of these things next to each other. Nice. Okay, so now if I drag you, wait. Okay. Ooh, nice. I'll just put this one in the middle, can it? Yeah, hey. Okay. Now, why is this font so big? Oh, it's just this is just our default font size, okay. So what if I want to save this thing? How do I do that? Can I save this callout as my own special kind of callout? Beaver Builder, save module. Open the page that contains the thing. Oh, click the wrench and do save as. party Kraken callout. Do we want to make it global? Can be added to multiple pages and edited in one place. No, we don't want that, but I can see how that would be really, really helpful. Okay, so, all right. So I'm just going to delete these two then. Okay. Now, if I add party Kraken callout, whoa, I gotta drag it. Okay. If I add a party Kraken callout, can I then customize it? Yes, I can. Okay, that's really cool. So yeah, that's really cool. It lets you basically create layout elements that you want and then just run with them. So that's really, really cool. Now, one thing I'm kind of worried about though is you can only save a module that you've customized. Can you save things together as a module? Like I don't think you can select multiple elements. Here, cancel. So can I select? No, I can't even really select this thing. So I definitely don't. Okay. So because what I'd like to do is do something like this. And the question is, can I combine an icon module and a text module? I know you can save a whole row, but I don't really want that. Or maybe I do. Oh yeah. If this is no, this is a column. So, okay. All right. So we've got our icon, and then we've got our text. Okay, so I'm going to see if so I guess I just have to manually manual module, and we'll make you an H2 as well. And I'm going to center everything, I guess. All right. Now, it would be really nice to be able to combine these two things. Okay, combine modules, Beaver Builder. To create custom modules, create a plugin, Main module file in the front-end HTML file. Okay. Okay, cool. So this looks a lot like, so creating a custom module superficially looks a lot like registering a new kind of widget. So I guess that's how you do it. So that's cool. It's cool that if you know PHP, you can kind of create any modules you want and add them to the page builder. My guess is that there's no way to combine these, to group select these and group them together like you could in Photoshop and then save that as a thing, which is kind of how I was thinking and what I thought could be really cool, but yeah, I just don't think it's probably possible. But what we could do, I guess, is, this is kind of gross and you wouldn't want to do this with clients because it would probably end up breaking, but I'll just go ahead and grab, okay, wrong thing. Where is the actual content? Where is the content? Okay, I'm just going to start deleting stuff. Oh my God. All right. Oh, maybe if I hover something else, then I can actually work with, yeah, here we go. All right. So, all right, if I just take all this and kind of paste it on top of the module, this is really, I do not recommend this, but I was just trying to see if like I could get like a saved module where it's an icon and then text. Hacky icon and text module. Let's save that. Okay, and then this didn't. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. And then text. So, is there a better way to do this? Okay, let me just see what other modules exist. Heading, separator, text editor, HTML. What's the difference between HTML and a text editor? Is HTML like literally like a pre-tag? No, it's not. It's just, oh, that's actually kind of cool. It's just letting you write whatever HTML you want to the page. Yeah, I actually kind of like that. Maybe that's what I want. Is there anything that's more like this, but doesn't use images, but uses icons? Post carousel, pricing table, sidebar, slideshow, subscribe form, countdown, content slider, contact form, callout. Yeah, let me just look a little bit more at the callout module. Oh, but the thing about a callout module is that the image is required. Now, what's a call to action module? Oh wait, callout module allows for an optional image or icon. Optional icon on the button, all right. Yeah, let me try a call to action and see what it does. Stacked layout, everything's centered. Good. The button looks fine. Now where's the icon? Okay, so a call to action doesn't have an icon, which is fine. Wait, yes it does. Okay, so text. Oh no. Yeah, but the icon's just inside the button. All right, never mind. All right, so that's a call to action, that's fine. Let me just try one more call out and see if I can get it not to be an image, but to be an icon. So we'll do a call. Actually, you know what? We're gonna use, whoops, I just added a, did I just add a call out on accident? No, I didn't. Okay, so we're going to use our saved Party Kraken call out. It's a little, oh, I think I need a new row. I'm finding it kind of awkward that like everything goes into one or the other of these rows. So, okay, so that means that I just want to get rid of this manual module. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, what? I guess a 3-column row layout? Oh, that added it to the current row though. I don't want that. I want to add a 3-column row. Okay, here we go. Yes, okay. And within that, I'm going to add party, crack, and call out to the first row here. Okay. Oh, I missed this. Okay, so it can, okay. Sorry if you have been screaming at me for 30 minutes in your mind. All right, so it's an icon, and we want an icon to be above the heading. And this is awesome. Okay, cool. So, and we want it definitely, obviously, to be a shower. That's definitely what you want. And let me just save this so I can get a good look at it. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, awesome. Oh, that's really good. And then I can just sort of save this as what's it called? Oh, an icon call out. Great. And then I can just sort of mass produce those, I think. So yeah, I could just add like, you know, I could just sort of make a bunch of these quite quickly. And, you know, change it from a shower to just like a man sleeping. Oh, beer. How about a beetle? Great. All right. Now, one of the things okay. So we'll say done, and we'll publish our changes. So let's see how all this is on different screen sizes. Oh, I might as, whatever. I should have added a third one. That's fine. Okay, we'll just see how the 2 columns are first. Okay. Whoop. Okay, so they break at a sensible time. Not really tied in with the theme, which you wouldn't expect. I mean, how could it be? But yeah, so at a sensible time they break to like a 1-column thing. Okay. And presumably the 3-column layout broke sooner. Yeah, no, do they break all at the same time? Yeah, this is getting pretty thin. Okay. Yeah, then it finally breaks. Okay. All right. All right, so I think I'm good on this. Now, one thing I wanted to do is to see, they probably don't have an option to, like, I did this with like a 2-column layout so that it just kind of, automatically sort of reflows itself. So like you see section 6 starts here, but if you have a wide space, it's section 5. And I did that with a column count thing. I'm almost certain they don't have like I'm almost certain that's not the way they handle columns. So when you put stuff in columns, they stay there basically on Beaver Builder. So that's just something to think about. Pretty minor point, not actually that important. All right, so if I want to do page builder, now what's the next kind of tricky thing that I did? So, so one thing that's really cool is like, I believe these are widgets that I built myself, but I could definitely build this as like a module and then just save it as a custom module, and it would make sort of creating these 2 things really easy, presumably. Let's see what else was tricky. Okay, a pricing table. Twitter embed. Let's see what their pricing table looks like, I guess. Okay, so pricing table. So I'll just add that into this row. No, this is going to take forever. So only option. Price 99 and okay. One feature per line HTML is okay. Feature 1, add. Feature 2. Okay, now style, highlight the price. Okay, fair enough. Oh, good, I can duplicate. Oh, that's really nice. I really like that they give you sensible options for duplicating stuff. That's really nice. Now, one of these should be like featured. So let's see if they have that. Style. Okay, so you could just sort of manually change the accent color, I guess. Wait. Box border. Box border. I don't actually want this box to have a border. Is that an option? Probably not. So, okay, see, that's nice. And then, wait. If I want everything, button. Oh, here we go. Button style flat. Text color. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty basic, but I wonder, do they only have one kind of pricing table, or is it like something where there's a bunch of different themes and you get to choose between them? I mean, this looks fine. It would be fine for whatever you needed, but still, one of the nice things about like the plugin repository is you get to choose a bunch of different kinds of like pricing tables can look a bunch of different ways. Let's see what happens if I change templates. I hope I don't lose everything. Append new layout. So it goes on the bottom. Yeah. So this is this. See, these percentage things, I'm sorry, but like, who actually has a bunch of bars of percentages on their website? I must be missing something. All right. So that's that. Now, where's the pricing table? Do they have one? No, they don't. Okay. Well. All right. Can I just delete this whole thing? Nope. Okay. So I guess you have to delete row by row, which could take kind of forever if you have a lot of stuff, but that's fine. Now, how would this integrate with MailChimp? If what I'm trying to do is get people to sign up for my MailChimp list, what do I do? Widgets? Yeah, okay, so let's see how it works with a WordPress widget, and then that'll basically, we'll call that good. Up and running sign up form. Let's do the default. Advanced. Okay, so I could give it margins. Let's just actually say I don't want any margins for this thing. Responsive layout, always display. Ooh. Hey, look at this. I could make the I think that means that I could make the newsletter sign up like slide in as I scroll. Let's just see. Yeah, that's kind of pretty. So I'm going to get rid of the rest of this sort of sample stuff. Okay, and so now I would have to go back in and, you know, restyle this newsletter sign up to. Now, can I do custom CSS just per, like, per element, per module? What is this? Edit column. Okay. Settings. I know I can give it a custom class. Yeah. Title. Join. Now and learn. All right. Oh, this is kind of cool. You can edit your sign-up form in the MailChimp for WordPress form settings. So it's nice they kind of pulled in the name of the plugin. I really like that. So if we just gave it a class like be styled how I want. Oh, I think I actually have a class called backgrounded that puts things on a kind of a light gray. Oh, look at that. It live updates. That's really great. That's really cool. Yeah, like live updates the class. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so obviously we could have a class that fixes the way that this and this look in the context of Beaver Builder. Okay. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and add a third one here because it's making me wince every time I look at a 3-column layout with 2 things in it. Okay, and we get to choose a little icon, and I choose is this Bowser's Castle? Okay. All right. All right. Publish changes. Okay, I'm just going to fix this too because the text is unreadable. So I'm just going to background photo. So what if we make it completely, no, that's still bad. What if we make it very, very white? That's still bad. This was the original, still pretty bad. What if we make it quite a bit, what if we make it like a dark, ooh, that's probably a lot better. Okay. Okay. I'm going to change this to blue. I still don't know how to do color presets, but whatever. Okay, and then this whole row, oh, wait. Is this all a row or what is this? Oh, so I would have to save this whole row as Pikachu banner. And then I could use it anytime I wanted. Okay. And then I guess I'm just going to have these callouts slide in. So, okay, now wait a minute. What if I... Okay, so I'm just going to do an animation where this slides right, I guess. Can I not save it as an existing module name? So... See, because what I want is to change this one and this one auto changes too. So this is called Party Crack and Callout. Okay. Okay, so save as party. Wait, I forgot to do, sorry. I forgot to make it slide in from the right. Oh no, okay, there it is. Okay. So now I'm going to save this as party Kraken callout. Now is it going to go like, oh, you've already got that? Or is it going to overwrite it? Or what's it going to do? Yeah, ooh, that's not so good. So it just lets you save multiple things with the same name. It doesn't do any sort of intelligent kind of updating. That's kind of a shame. So this slides right, but what about this? It doesn't slide at all, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it doesn't slide at all. So that means that, oh wait, okay. Wait, why can't I? Wait, no, if I do settings, what on earth? Maybe I have to refresh my permalinks. Why can I edit one of them but not the other? That's really weird. All right, so I'm going to do settings. Maybe did I make this one global? Is that what I did? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I can edit this one, but I can't edit this one, and I can't delete this one either. Okay, what if I just delete this altogether? Okay, so whatever. So I'm going to say that party Kraken callout things slide in from the left. Whatever. Okay, fade in. That's kind of nice. Okay, fade in. And then that's that. And I saved it, but I also just deleted it. It's probably gonna error because I deleted the thing that it thinks it's updating. All right, well, I don't understand why I can't edit this one, but I can edit the other ones. That's really weird. Yeah, I feel like, okay, so I feel like the way it works is like, oh, maybe the reason I couldn't save it was because, yeah, it was probably because it was on the same like the same page load as when I actually created it, and so that made it impossible. But yeah, I feel like these modules, once you drop something, you're not like once you drop something, it's not listening to the underlying module. It's just its own thing. So if you make changes to a module, then you kind of have to go in and re-implement the module everywhere, I feel like, which is fine. I mean, I guess that makes sense. It's just, it's not this thing where you could have 50 instances of a module all over the site and change it in one place and then, oh, maybe that's what a global module is. Okay, that makes sense. Right, so if it's a global module, then you edit it once and it does change it all 50 times. But since I keep choosing not to have a global module, then as soon as you drop the element in there, it just doesn't, like it just forgets what module it's part of as soon as you actually create it. So I'm pretty sure these are both going to fade in from the right, and I just want to see if that's true. Oh, okay. All right, so add, oops. So no, I'm done. I want to publish my changes. Yeah. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, I really think this is an improvement over like what I could have hoped to get done, with no with no page builder, obviously, because like I did everything on Up and Running with just a bunch of sort of widgets a bunch of HTML widgets basically, and then some custom widgets that I registered myself, and it worked fine, but I had to know quite a bit more about development than I've used in this demo. And honestly, this is easier. And yeah, I feel like this makes a lot of stuff possible without having to sort of think about code, but I definitely would not want anybody to try to... What? Well, so what happened there? Okay, weird. Maybe a caching issue? Yeah, so, well, I guess Beaver Builder will stop your heart occasionally, but anyway, yeah, I mean, I just feel like this went so much quicker than even than the Up and Running thing did, and I had to use a lot less kind of knowledge as a developer. And I feel like, on the other hand, I would not want somebody to try to build a website with just the page builder and whatever theme they bought, because, you know, I'm pretty consistently hitting the limits of the page builder in terms of like being able to customize to exactly what I want. So yeah, I think this is a great addition for WordPress developers. I think it makes some hard things easy, and I think it, you know, it still needs the skill set that a developer who understands code is bringing to the table. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. You know, if and when we are actually building landing pages on WPShout, I'm definitely going to use this. I'm not going to try to like hack together a bunch of like widgets on pages things, or like dump a bunch of HTML into like the page content on the back end or anything like that. I'm definitely going to use Beaver Builder. And I would say that Beaver Builder, of the page builders I've tried, Beaver Builder is the least broken, and it's the most sort of, most of the things I look for actually exist. So yeah. Overall, I really thought Beaver Builder was pretty good, even me just sort of trying it out without reading the manual. And yeah, so I recommend you guys take a look. All right, thank you.